Our house is a zero energy house where we produce as much energy on site through renewables that we use over the course of a year. That's lots of insulation and also low-E double glazing in timber frame. Low-E stands for low emissivity. In a heating environment it would reflect heat back into your space, keeping that space warmer, and then in a cooling environment it would reflect heat out of that space.
Low-E improves the performance of the glazing compared to standard double glazing. Some of the benefits are that it would make the building more comfortable, reduce the amount of heat that comes into the space or the amount that it leaves the space, so it's a more comfortable temperature. By reducing the amount of energy that comes in or leaves the building can affect how much it costs to operate the heating or cooling system, so it's cheaper to operate the building. It reduces the condensation, so because the glass is warmer on the inside, you don't get condensation on the inside of the building. It can reduce the amount of UV that comes into the space, so you get less fading of fabrics or timber. This is obviously a single pane of glass, which you have in many houses in New Zealand. There's a lot of heat loss through it. In the double glazing unit, you have a spacer, which separates one pane of glass to the other. The spacer serves that purpose, but it also enables you to seal inside another gas, so you might have argon in here, which further reduces the heat loss. In the zero energy house, we've invested in low-E double glazing. It's obviously a more expensive product. The additional cost was worth that because it paid back over long term. So in the zero energy house, we chose a high performance glass, including with a low-E coating and argon filled, to reduce the heat loss from the building and make it as efficient as possible thermally. In different parts of the country, you might choose different combinations of these features depending on what you're trying to achieve and what your climate is. And you can talk to a technical expert at Metro Glass about which is the right product for you.